Hey buddy, this is H here, and today we're going to be doing today we're going to do a from unboxed DVDs from the latest collection from all these motion. And now we're going to do that for you. Let's do it. Let's stop 2006 DVD of Tom and Jerry movie, The Fast and the Furry. And those should I say before. And now it's gonna be that. And also, well, now it's gonna be that. Before it's gonna be that. So, this is fine. And that. And special features from Bakers. Some knows animation wave sound off on the making of cartoon sound race to the finished schools is this. And this will for the 2Q2 stuff. Let's do it for this thing. Let's do it for this. Okay, hold on. Alright. Sorry. Hey. Oh. Here we go. Right. There we go. 2010 2006 DVD of Tom and Jerry movies, The Fast and the Furry. Wow, as we now we gotta be do. That's his back part. Here's his spine, his back. I don't know. With the special features make some nose animation sound off on the making of cartoon sound race to the finished challenge in where okay, let's see what's nonsense. Maybe that. Alright, so and here's the disc right here. Alright, since it's been from the unbox for Furry due to a first rate tracer. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.